evaluation, report writing and follow-up with phone calls, WhatsApp messages, and a visit to the 6 rural districts, both at the start and end of the trial. The uptake was 100% successful, and to quote the FHI 360 report, "The butterfly menstrual cups are convenient and cost-effective, and with proper training on their usage, can be a practical solution for young women. By keeping girls in school, menstrual cups have a potential of preventing new HIV infections among AGYW, as they are easy to use and last a long time. Girls can use them during their menstrual cycle and therefore not miss any school." In the slideshow that was playing earlier, we included photos from the Beatrice Project, which is a UK-funded charity. Joy, who's here, has joined us from Bulawayo to answer any questions you may have regarding their work on introducing the menstrual cup to girls in schools. It's interesting to note that with the inclusion of mothers in the training days, the uptake, even for young girls, is very good. Please do quiz Joy on her initial reservations and how resistance to the concept of the cup was overcome. I'd like to emphasise at this point the importance of education in introducing a new product. We take our education programme very seriously, and we offer videos in Shona, Ndebele and English, as well as a short WhatsApp film, instruction leaflet, and always a person-to-person presentation. Help available via phone 24/7 and a preloaded tablet that can be taken into the field. Whilst there is no doubt that the menstrual cup has been very well received, we know that there are a number of issues that come with introducing a product that needs to be inserted. Whether these are cultural, psychological or physical issues, not every woman wants to or is able to insert a sanitary product. With this in mind, we again looked around the world to find a solution and discovered period underwear just as it was making its debut on the international market. With no one prepared to sell wholesale to us, we took the initiative of investing our money into designing and creating our own period underwear. Today we are delighted to be showcasing our very own Viva Lily period pants. I hope you've had time to see the pants for yourself and to see the feedback we have had from some of the girls who've been testing them for us on the film. Viva Lily pants hold up to 2 tampons worth of menstrual blood and can be reused for up to 2 years. But the real beauty of them is that they look and feel like normal pants. They can be washed and hung on the line with family washing. There is nothing that can fall out and they contain no plastic. Our first production of 750 pairs is due to arrive in the country this week, and we have already sold the majority of them, which I think speaks for itself. Looking forward, we would like to expand upon the work by Girls' Right to Education in schools, develop the distribution of products, and create an education programme that transfers to real-life situations, that is inclusive of boys and girls. I'd like to introduce you to Mrs. Phineas. I'm not sure where she is.
Oh, there's a hand back there.
At the back, okay. So Mrs. Phineas is the Deputy Headmistress at Torrentials College in Chitingwisa. She told us that she could, and I quote, "tell which girls have the cup just by watching them. They have confidence. They are confident in class and confident around boys because they know that the boys don't know when they have their period." Today, these girls are fully participating in school and in life. There are approximately 3 million women in Zimbabwe who are of menstruating age, and we know that the majority are unable to provide safe sanitary wear for themselves. Today, we're proud to be launching a trust that will support women and girls to access a choice of sanitary wear, but we need your help to ensure that every girl and woman in Zimbabwe can live a life of dignity. The decision to launch the MHS Trust was made over a year ago with the intention that we should use every means available to us to fund and distribute a variety of environmentally sustainable sanitary products. We're always open to new suggestions and to adjusting our work to meet your needs. We hope that by creating this new forum, we will be able to work with more people to provide an even better service. Please can I invite you to engage with us, our team, Nyasha, Betty and Memory, and our Head of Education, Nobukle. And they're all kind of stationed around here.
Wearing t-shirts.
Or Ernie or myself to answer any questions that you may have. We believe that the provision of sanitary wear is undeniably linked to girls having better health, education, empowerment, equality and dignity, which are surely the rights of every human being. Don't know why I'm going to cry now. I'm soon near the end. And we hope you will join us through the Menstrual Health Specialist Trust to make this happen. Thank you.
Okay, and now. Priscilla. I'm not a very good ambassador. No protocol, nothing.
Exactly. So I'll follow that.
Sorry, hold on, no. Honorable Priscilla. I should at least have done the title.
Thank you very much, Excellency. I think all protocol of that, because I've only got 5
think that's
minutes.
good, yeah.
He kept insisting as I was walking through the door.
It's not true. You said
Yes, that's what he
7.
said.
You said 7 and I
Okay,
said
now
5.
put it in 5.
Now you're self-censoring yourself.
Now you've taken 1 minute off. No, I'm just here to celebrate this launch. I think for many of us, it's a dream come true. It's a dream come true in many ways. Firstly, that we actually have moved to actually having realistic products that are sustainable. Because I think for many of you who would know we've been in this struggle around sanitary, it's always been, is it sustainable? Can we do it? And I think the issue of the butterfly cup and the issue of the pens, which I love and I've used, and I know they are wonderful, is something that we can actually put out there and argue with government. The last time we had our budget presentation as a committee on education, primary and secondary education, we actually gave it as a gift, both the cup and the pant to the ministry, to the Minister of Finance, and he has it in his office, so he always remembers. We also have pushed to make sure that we have low duty, both import and VAT. And I know that my 2 friends are still struggling around that because Zimra is still giving us problems. But I'm sure by the time the 700 ones come, we will push them through, even if it means I have to be at the airport to receive them. So for me, it's simply that's a celebration. But I think the second celebration is really that the ambassador here has allowed us to launch it here. Not only because he's ambassador, but because he's also mayor. I think we need to move this conversation just from women to also men. So thank you very much for taking that initiative. And then thirdly, I think for me, what would really make this dream come true, we have said to government, we can bring the international community on the table and deal with this as a human rights issue. If we think it's important to give people food when there is hunger, I don't understand why we don't think we should provide sanitary ware for those that can't afford it. And I'm not saying that the international community needs to come on its own. I think this is where we can go into a partnership. $1 for $1 is something that we're pushing for government. And these things are now sustainable. And I'm happy to associate with it, and I'm happy to continue to push and to advocate. But I really think that this is the time that we really need to say to ourselves, this is not just something that you can have or may not have. This is a necessity, and it's about human dignity. Lastly, on Sunday, the region has been working around this, the Southern region has been working around this, and there's a big conference in South Africa around no limits to the demands that we are having. And I think from a regional point of view, the region has also come around together. I think we're in the first meeting where we set up the steering committee. Now as a region, we've decided to stand up and say, these are things that the region and our regional presidents need to put on board, and they should be an issue, not just in NOB on one of the things that we are. But congratulations to my friends. They've become my lovely friends. They use me to test their product. But really, thank you so much.
I didn't actually test it, but I think I am such an expert at speaking that my internal clock said that it was about 4 minutes and 38 seconds. And if you believe that. Last thing, we can declare now it launched.
Yes.
Good, so here we go. You've all been very good schoolboys and schoolgirls. You've been very quiet. You've listened to it all, so I won't abuse that much longer. I would make one last comment about the Women Deliver conference. It will be live streamed. So the material, the sheets that we gave you at the beginning, we'll give you the link to that if you want to track the conference and track what's going on. We may also be looking in the future to try and do an event or two. Once the videos and the films are up, we might have a panel discussion that mirrors something that happened there. We're looking at a number of different options. So please don't forget that it is coming up. There will be press here who I know want to speak to you about this. So don't run. Don't run right now. You got to stay. You got to stay for a little while. At least let the press get at you. Otherwise, I would open it up in case there's anybody, because one of the points about this as well is to just bring people together to have a conversation. Does anybody have anything on this theme that burning because they've got everybody's attention for this one single moment that they'd like to stick their hand up and say something? Yeah, there you go. Back there, I see a hand.
I'm just wondering about the possibility of making these very good black pants here in Zimbabwe.
Okay, so going forward in the future, definitely it is a possibility. At the moment, it's about how do we make a product that is affordable. And for us to do that in Zimbabwe at the moment, we're not quite there, but hopefully going forward, that is something we will definitely look at doing.
No, that's great. Anything else?
Where are they made right now?
Actually, right now, as we speak, I'll tell you a little story. So my husband flew to Sri Lanka yesterday, the day before yesterday, to go and oversee this first production. And he arrived at the airport yesterday afternoon, and today he went for a run, because he runs a lot, and couldn't understand why it was so empty everywhere. And there is a security scare. So all the factories are closed, and he's sitting in Sri Lanka in a hotel waiting to go. But I am hoping that they will be here by the end of this week, and they are being made in Sri Lanka at the moment. Thank you.
One last comment from somebody? Anyone? Pretty good? Oh, there you go. Ambassador, yep.
Is the product distributed free of charge? In the near future, will it be at cost to the beneficiaries, or will it just be distributed free of charge?
So we would have to work with other people because we don't have funding to make the product and distribute it. It'd be lovely if we did. So yeah, we're looking for partners so that we can get it out to as many people as cost effectively as possible. And obviously collaborating and getting bigger orders means we can do it at a better price.
We good? Okay. Thank you again very much. There are more drinks, there's more food, and I would recommend that you don't stay packed in here like sardines, because I can feel the body heat raising the temperature.